What you're about to witness is how nations dress for battle.
This crest carries the dreams of 60 million people. Every thread must be perfect.
Inside these walls, fabric becomes armor for the world's greatest football stage.
Every jersey begins with a single fiber, engineered at the molecular level.
These hands have touched fabric for 40 years. They reject what instruments approve.
8,000 kilometers away, the foundation of every jersey grows in ancient soil.
32 plastic bottles will become one jersey, waste transformed into victory.
These looms weave 300 threads per minute, each one placed with micrometer precision.
This fabric must move sweat away from skin in under 3 seconds. Slower means heavier, heavier means slower.
Enough fabric to outfit every World Cup nation waits in chromatic silence.
40,000 pores per square centimeter, each one a one-way door for sweat.
Under UV light, the fabric reveals secrets it hides from ordinary eyes.
This thread will form the crests that make grown men weep with pride.
These numbers must survive 100 washes without cracking. Players earn numbers. Numbers must honor players.
4 layers working together. A climate control system weighing less than 200 grams.
Every ventilation zone is placed by airflow simulation, maximum cooling, minimum drag.
Every fiber's journey is recorded, from field to factory to pitch. These colors must survive 200 hours of simulated sunlight. National colors cannot fade. This exact shade of blue is specified by International Federation Code. Deviation is not permitted.
Every great jersey builds on the jerseys that came before. History informs the future.
200% stretch, 100% recovery. The fabric must move with the athlete and return to form.
14,000 perforations per panel, each one precisely placed for optimal airflow. Only when every component is verified does the creation of a national kit begin. The transformation begins with fabric laying as flat as a football pitch.
The computer calculates cut paths that waste less than 3% of fabric. Efficiency is environmental responsibility.
The machine knows every piece by shape and knows exactly where each one belongs.
These accent pieces carry the design identity. Without them, a jersey is just a shirt.
This ribbing will be stretched over heads for years. It must never lose its grip or its give.
Players will never notice these grips. They'll only notice their sleeves stay in place.
Brazilian jerseys breathe differently than German jerseys. Climate engineering built into every cut.
Every piece must be accounted for. A missing panel stops an entire production line. Every piece converges here, the last moment they exist as separate fabric before becoming a jersey.
With one command, cut pieces begin their journey to become national pride.
This is where fabric becomes identity.
Flat lock seams eliminate bulk because bulk creates friction, and friction creates distraction.
A 2mm misalignment pulls the jersey left or right. Athletes feel everything. The sleeve angle is calculated from professional athlete motion capture data. Every degree matters.
The collar makes first contact with skin. It determines whether the jersey feels professional or amateur. The hem is the last thing the eye sees. It must be as perfect as everything above it. These mesh zones were mapped from thermal imaging of professional players, cooling exactly where they need it. No seam will touch skin directly. Every edge is softened by this tape. This is the moment fabric becomes national, when the crest finds its home. 12,000 stitches form each crest, every stitch placed by computer, witnessed by human.
These logos are partners in the journey. Their placement is specified to the millimeter. This number transforms a jersey into a player's jersey. Identity written in vinyl.
47 checkpoints verified on every jersey. Failure at any point triggers review.
Steam convinces the fabric this is its final form. It will return to this shape after every wash.
Care instructions written in 15 languages, because this jersey will travel the world.
This tag connects to a database entry that knows everything about this specific jersey.
What passes this inspection will be worn in front of billions, nothing less than perfect advances.
Every jersey folded identically, because retail presentation begins in the factory.
The first thing a buyer sees is a champion wearing this jersey. Aspiration before acquisition. This hologram is the promise of authenticity. Counterfeiters have never broken the code. From this point, these jerseys begin their journey to stores on 6 continents. 12 jerseys per carton, organized so a retailer can unpack directly to the sales floor. These cartons will travel by ship, plane, truck, and hand. The strapping holds through everything.
This label speaks the language of every customs agent and warehouse worker on Earth.
7 layers of protection for 13 days at sea. The jerseys inside will arrive perfect.
For the next month, these jerseys will cross oceans they'll never see.
32 nations, 32 destinations. The World Cup kit rollout has begun. These jerseys will arrive in 48 hours because national teams don't wait for ships. Every production run leaves witnesses, jerseys that can answer questions years from now.
Independent verification ensures our quality claims survive skeptical examination.
The players who will wear these jerseys shape the jerseys that will be worn.
Before this jersey reaches stores, the next jersey is already being designed. This is the moment of truth, when the people who matter most see what we've created.
In this moment, a production sample becomes international news, seen by millions within hours.
The last hands before the buyer's hands arrange these jerseys exactly where dreams will find them.
6 weeks from factory to this moment. Fabric to fandom in 42 days.
These jerseys know which backs they're waiting for.
In 5 minutes, this jersey walks onto the pitch and into history. From factory floor to World Cup tunnel, the jersey completes its journey as the player begins theirs.
On the pitch and in the stands, the same jersey, factory production creating national unity.
From Egyptian cotton to World Cup glory, an extraordinary journey of engineering, craft, and national pride.
They'll never meet the players who wear their work, but tonight they watch with a different kind of pride.
Every professional once received their first national jersey.
And every jersey carries the same possibility.
The same jersey on different generations. Production creating connection across time.
Long after the final whistle, the jersey remains, witness to everything that happened while wearing it.
While the world watches the World Cup, the jerseys for the next chapter are already being born. Now you've seen what few ever will, the